Welcome to Jira Bakery. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how dynamically we can display the field, custom field with preset values based on the value selected in another custom field using the script runner for Jira Cloud behaviors. Before we get on to the demo, if you are not subscribed to Jira Bakery yet, please subscribe because I'm creating the content by keeping the beginners in my mind. So let's get back to the demo. So let me give you the use case here. In my use case, if the issue type is a story, I have to select the story category. These are the story categories I have. And based on the value that I'm going to select in the custom field story category, the corresponding another custom field, discovery or task flow or whatever the custom fields, I have to display the template of this particular custom field. So now let's go and select the discovery here. So according to the business case, if I select the discovery, for now, I don't have anything here except the description. So based on the value I'm going to select in the custom field story category, I have that the corresponding template of the selected custom field should display here. So let's select the discovery here. And if you notice, as soon as I select the discovery custom field with preset value got populated in the create issue screen. Let's go back and select the task flow because I have not created the behavior yet. If I select this, nothing should display here, only the description should come because this is the system default one. So let's go and select the task flow. See, now we are not seeing any value over here because I have not set the behavior yet. So to achieve this, we have to create multiple behaviors. The very first thing is we have to create the custom field with preset value template. So like I said, we have to create the discovery template that I have already created, and also the task flow, low-fi, high-fi, and mid-fi designs. These are all five templates that I have to create as a behavior in the script runner for behaviors. For the demo purposes, I created only one, which is discovery, and we have to create all the remaining four as well. And the second part of the behaviors is based on the selection. Initially, we did not see any. If you go and see, initially we don't have any values here. But as soon as we select the one of the custom field story category value, then only we are populating the preset custom field. In the sense, we have to create a behavior where whenever there is a value selected in the custom field, then only in the custom field story category, then only display the corresponding selected custom field with pre-populated data. That is one more behavior that we need to create. Now let's go and see how we can achieve that. To do that, we have to go to the script runner for Jira Cloud behavior section. Click on the behaviors and directly go to the behavior section. And now the very first thing is that, like I mentioned, the values that what we have seen in the story category, we have to create the templates for each and every one. So I already created the discovery one and we have to create the remaining as well. So let's go to the part where we are creating the each and every custom field template. To do that, we have to click on the create behavior button here. And let's go. And if you go on the create behavior, this particular screen is going to populate. And let's go and click on that. So now we are in the create behavior screen, where you are going to give the name of the behavior. In this behavior, we are creating the templates for the custom fields, and give the names of the custom fields that you are going to create the templates on. For now, I gave a couple of them, but still I need to give few more. And UUID is the system default uneditable one. Enable the feature, and also select the projects that you want this behavior to be displayed, activated, and also select the issue types that you want. Now we want to see the add the field. Like I mentioned, we need to select the field discovery and Wi-Fi designs and all the remaining things. So now, for example, to add the field, click on the add field, and you will be navigated to the screen which is edit affected field. So the affected field over here is the discovery. The why I'm saying this is the affected field is, whenever there is a custom field story category selects the discovery, then that is going to be the affected field. We need to display the discovery custom field, which we already created a behavior how to display. Oh, by the way, before we create the behavior, we have to define the custom field in the Jira service manager, in the Jira instance. So the affected field for this one is going to be the discovery, and click next. Now, in this particular screen, we have to select, do you want this particular custom field display to be on load or on change? We want it in both areas. Whenever there is a selection and the discovery selection in the story category, we want to be displayed this format to be displayed. And also, if there is a change in the story category from XYZ to discovery, but still we want this particular format to be populated in the create issue screen. I'm going to give you the code in the description section. And with this, what we are doing is we already defined the template for the discovery custom field. Like that, you have to create multiple. For example, hi-fi I have already defined. Lo-fi, lo-fi. So it's already getting the custom field. And create next. And here you need to write the code for that. And keep on adding discovery, lo-fi, hi-fi, and you are going to defining the custom field displays here. How to display the custom field if it is selected. So let's say for now, for the demo purpose, I've created one, and let's save it. Now with this, we created a custom field template how we need to populate. Let's get back to the original one, which is whenever there is a value selected in the story category custom field, we need to display the corresponding custom field template here. Selected value template here. So for that, we need to write a behavior. If there is a value and the value of that is going to be any one of this particular custom fields, then display the corresponding custom field in the issue screen. For example, in the story category, if I select discovery, it should display the discovery custom field with the values, preset values that I defined in my previous behavior. For example, if I select another story category, I am not seeing anything here. That's because I have not written the behavior yet for this particular custom field. So let us see how we can achieve, based on the custom field value selection, how we are going to display the corresponding custom field with corresponding field with values, preset values. So to do that, we need to create the behavior on selection. For that, again, click on the create behavior and you will be navigated to the screen where you have to give the behavior name, saying that story categories, hi-fi designs, and discovery, or whatever names that I'm going to give. And also the same way, what all the projects you want this behavior to be added, and also what all the issue types you want this behavior to be added. And now we have to create the behavior here. So again, for that, add field, we have to add the discovery, hi-fi designs, and all the remaining remaining low-fi, hi-fi, mid-fi designs in this section. I have already created the behavior for the discovery. Let's go back to the click on the edit button. For if you want to create, you have to click on the add field. Now again, the affected one is the discovery, and click next. Same thing, we want it to be activated, on hold, and also on change. I'm going to give you the code in the description section. The main thing that you need to focus on is that we have to call the story category field and get the story category field ID, because this is the area, this is the category issue custom field triggering the value to be displayed in the next, what value we need to display. So we have to call the custom field what is triggering, which is story category field. So bring that, and also the if the story category field is the discovery, and you have to display the template and call this one. And this is the code. I don't want to discuss on the code. I'm going to provide the code in the description. And see, that is how we have to populate the value. I'm going to give you, like, in the sense, like as I mentioned, the same type of code that you need to create for all the remaining issue tabs, as all the remaining custom fields, whatever the fields we have in the story category. So same thing, that only minor change that you need to make is you need to change the custom field number, and story category is anyway the standard, and because that's the field that triggers the value to be displayed in the create issue screen. So with this, I hope you understand how we can achieve, based on the value selected in the custom field. The another custom field with the preset data is going to be displayed. For that, we have created two behaviors with multiple fields added. The first behavior is we created the templates for the each and every custom field, how it is going to be displayed if selected. And the second one is, in the create issue screen, based on the value we selected in story category custom field, we need to display the custom field discovery, or whatever the value that we have, whatever the values we have created. And I hope you understand how we can achieve this uh, functionality using the script runner for Jira Cloud. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Jira Bakery.